Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about this sign. Now, what does this sign means? It's a T junction inside a warning sign. It's giving you a warning that there is a T junction coming up. So what does it mean? It means that T junction with priority over a vehicle from the right. That's what it means. It's saying that you are approaching a T junction and you will be turning left, and cars coming from your right needs to stop for you because you have priority over them. That's what it means. But in this video, first I will explain to you what it actually means, and then I will show you in practice what kind of junction it actually means, so that you understand fully about this warning sign, also the type of junction it actually means. Let's start the lesson. Okay, so let's talk about what this sign is actually saying and what kind of junction we are talking about here. This is a T junction and you will be turning left, okay? And what this junction is, the cars coming from your right needs to stop for you because you have priority over them. That's what this sign is saying. But the warning of this sign is reminding you, is telling you that you are approaching a junction, you will be turning left, cars coming from your right needs to stop for you. You have priority over them. So the warning is to be careful for the car coming from the right in case they don't stop for you, because they might just carry on going without noticing they need to stop. And the warning sign is saying be careful, even though you've got the priority over them, just be careful in case they don't stop for you. That's what the sign is telling you. So be careful when you are approaching a T junction where you have priority over your right. In case they don't stop for you, be careful and look out for the cars from your right. Now here we are approaching a T junction where we will have priority over a vehicle coming from the right. As you can see here, there is a T junction and we are turning left, and we have priority, cars coming from our right. Why? Because they have the giveaway line. But the problem is, what if they don't stop? If they don't stop, then there will be a problem for us. So basically, when we approach a T junction, like similar here, where we have priority on our right, we have to make sure that the cars coming from the right, they do stop. Because if they don't, and they don't recognize the giveaway line, that would be a problem. Again, here we are approaching another T junction, and as you can see, we have priority going left, cars coming from the right, but we just have to be careful, make sure that they see the giveaway line and they stop, because if they don't, we have to make sure that we see and we stop. So as you are driving, always look out for these kind of T junctions where you are turning left and you have priority cars coming over from your right. Whether you have this sign or you don't, but always read and recognize those kind of T junctions. The problem is, what if the car coming from the right don't recognize the giveaway line and they don't stop? That's what the danger is. So always read and recognize these kind of T junctions and be careful, take extra care in case cars coming from the right don't stop. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.